can't do it. He can't do it. See? Watch. Right when he gets to the middle, he's gonna stop. See? And then he can't even go backwards after he gets to the last one. Backwards. No. See, I told you, Ma, he can't do it. He can't go backwards. He can't go backwards.
I can't go backwards. I can't go backwards. I can't do it.
And then when you get to the end, go forward again. Alright, forward. Now. Oh,
Good job.
do it.
Nice, Ulrich.
Alright, can you do it upside down? No. Can you do it with no hands?
No.
Pull up. Pull ups.
There.
No. Come on, the real way. Go, pull ups. Pull ups. Pull ups first.
Bye.